Hello, today we are going to look at that one another important topic. And so today it is very popular, Vozinha. And so he is a hero from the World Cup 2026. And he is from the Cape Verde, from street football to the World Cup hero. B2 level reading. First, we are going to read our text, and then we are going to look at the vocabularies, and we are going to look at the multiple choice questions, and you're going to answer them. And at the end of our video, we are going to have the answers key. Okay, let's start. Now I'm starting to read the art text. At the 2026 FIFA World Cup, one of the most inspiring stories came from the Cape Verde's goalkeeper Vozinha. Born as Josimar Jose Evora Diaz on June 3, 1986 in Mindola, Cape Verde, he became a global sensation at the age of 40 after a remarkable performance against Spain. Vozinha's journey to success was far from easy. His father named him Josimar after a famous Brazilian football player who competed in the 1986 World Cup. Because his parents worked long hours, he spent much of his childhood with his grandparents. His nickname, Vozinha, which means little grandmother in Portuguese, came from his habit of running to home to complain to his grandparents after being pushed by older boys during the street football matches. Unlike many professional footballers, Vozinha didn't attend a famous football academy. Instead, he learned the game on the street of the Cape Verde. His path to professional football was unusually late. He signed his first professional contract at the age of 25, an age when many players are already well established. However, he never gave up on his dream. Over the next 19 years, Vozinha built a respectable career by playing in several countries, including Angola, Moldova, Cyprus, Slovakia, and Portugal. Although he worked hard and gained valuable experience, he remained relatively unknown outside football circles. Everything changed at the 2026 World Cup. Cape Verde was making its first appearance in the tournament and faced Spain, one of Europe's strongest teams. In its opening match, Spain dominated possession and created many chances, but Vozinha delivered an extraordinary performance. He faced 27 shots and made 7 crucial saves, helping his team secure a historic 0-0 draw. After the final whistle, emotions overwhelmed him. Tears filled his eyes as he reflected on the long journey that had brought him to football's biggest stage. For millions of fans around the world, Vozinha became a symbol of determination, resilience, and the belief that success can come at any age. The story became even more touching when the Vozinha revealed that his mother had been unable to attend the match because of the visa and financial difficulties. Moved by his situation, people around the world offered support. Soon, organizations and the authorities worked together to resolve the problems, allowing his family to travel and cheer for him in person. Vozinha's story reminds us that the dreams do not have an expiration date. Through hard work, patience, and the perseverance, a player who once learned football on dusty streets became one of the unforgettable heroes of the 2026 World Cup. Okay, we completed the art text. Now we can look at some vocabularies. Key vocabularies. Sensation. Someone or something causing great public excitement. Sansasyon. Remarkable. Worthy of attention. Extraordinary. Dikkat çekici. Olağanüstü. Respectable. Good enough to be considered acceptable or decent. Saygın. Dominated. Controlled or had the most influence over something. Hakim olmak, baskın olmak. Resilience. The ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Dayanıklılık, metanet. Perseverance. Continued effort despite difficulty. Azim, sebat, sabır. Okay, now we can look at the comprehension check, and these are the questions, and I'm going to read them, and you're going to answer them. Okay, we are starting with the first one. Why did the Vozinha's father name him Josimar? A. It was a family tradition. B. After a famous Brazilian footballer from the 1986 World Cup. C. After his grandfather. D. It means goalkeeper in Portuguese. Number 2. Where does Vozinha's nickname come from? A. A childhood habit of complaining to his grandparents after street football matches. B. A nickname given by his first professional club. C. A character from a Cape Verdean's TV show. D. A joke made by his teammates at the World Cup. Number 3. At what age did Vozinha sign his first professional contract? A. 18. B. 21. C. 25. D. 30. Number 4. What happened in Cape Verde's opening 2026 World Cup match against Spain? A. Cape Verde won 1-0. B. Spain won easily. C. The match ended in 0-0 draw with Vozinha making 7 crucial saves. D. The match was cancelled. Number 5. Why was Vozinha's mother initially unable to attend the match? A. She was unwell. B. She didn't want to travel. C. Visa and the financial difficulties. D. She had no interest in football. And finally, the last question, number 6. What is the main message of the Vozinha story according to the text? A. Football academies are essential for success. B. Dreams do not have an expiration date. Success can come at any age. C. Talent matters more than hard work. D. Playing abroad guarantees fame. Okay, these are our questions, and now we are going to look at the answer key. And now you can look at that your answer key. And the first one is B, second one A, third C, fourth C, 5 C, sixth B. Okay, I hope your all answers are correct. Thanks for watching my channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I can provide you more text and you can use them in your exams. Thanks very much. And also I am just doing these lessons also for my little niece Daphne. I hope in the future she can also watch them. Thank you. See you in next lessons. Bye bye.